New strains of Stop Djvu Ransomware are being discovered every week, and this time it's HHAZ Ransomware. Like other associated strains of the prominent malware threat, this ransomware locks files and then demands a ransom fee to restore file access. Infections like HHAZ ransomware can be distributed through software bundles. So if you tend to download freeware or pirated apps via torrent or cracked software sites, you may end up installing such threats. HHAZ ransomware locks most of the popular file types, including photos, music, documents, and videos. During the file encryption process, HHAZ ransomware adds the .hhaz extension to the affected files and leaves a ransom note on the user's desktop and in every folder containing files. Once downloaded and installed, HHAZ ransomware will employ the AES encryption algorithm to lock up your files. Oftentimes, information stealers like Zeus and Redline are deployed alongside ransomware, which allows hackers access to sensitive information before encrypting files. Therefore, it's possible that this ransomware does it too. The ransom note demands a ransom payment in order for victims to obtain the decryption key. The key costs $980, but the ransomware's operators will offer a 50% discount and only charge $490 if the victim contacts them within 72 hours after infection. There's also 2 email addresses, support@freshmail.top and datarestorehelpyou@airmail.cc for victims to use to communicate with hackers. We do discourage establishing contact, as there's no guarantee that they'll provide decryption tools after payment. It's important to note that HHAZ ransomware does not just encrypt data, it may attempt to delete all shadow copies of the affected files stored on your computer. This can make recovery of your documents and data extremely difficult, if not impossible. It is highly recommended that you do not attempt to pay a ransom for a decryption key, as this does not guarantee the recovery of encrypted files. The best course of action is focusing on methods that can help you restore your data and protect you from similar threats in the future. How do I deal with the HHAZ ransomware infection? To protect yourself from the HHAZ ransomware attack, you should practice safe web browsing habits like refraining from opening email attachments from unknown senders and downloading programs from unreliable sources. You should also have a reputable malware remediation tool installed on your computer. That way you can regularly scan for elements associated with this troublesome ransomware infection and other malware. Also, to reduce the potential damage of a future ransomware infection, please consider backing up your files on an external hard drive or cloud storage. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.